Hello and welcome to my presentation. I'm BielRoigLopez and today I will be presenting SupRemo. The index, this is the index. First we're going to talk about the theoretical introduction. Then we're going to talk about the use and advantages of the remote management software. Then we're going to talk about the hardware and software requirements of the application. Then we're going to talk about the price and value for the money. And for last, we're going to talk about the comparison with other similar software. Point one, theoretical introduction. Remote desktop protocol is a protocol or technical standard for using a desktop computer from a distance. Some basic features of this kind of software would be remote device control, sessions recording, file transfer, and remote printing. Use and advantage of remote management software. This type of software is used to monitorize other people remotely and to provide technical support. Advantages of Access Remote are that you are able to work without needing powerful equipment. We can access our desktop without having to configure anything, and important information stays inside the remote desktop. Hardware and software requirements of SupRemo. For operation system, we need at least a Windows XP Service Pack 2, Windows Vista, or a Windows 7, 8, or 10. About the processor, we just need that it's able to have like 1 gigahertz. About memory, we just need 1 gigabyte of RAM. Graphics, we need a P card with at least DirectX 9.0. Yeah, DirectX is 9.0. And for storage, we need at least 50 megabytes of available space. Price and value. There's different prices depending on the use of the application. And if it's used on a user end, it will be free and no cost. But if the application is going to be used on a business end, then you will have the prices shown in the picture. There's three options that you can choose. The first one would be the solo, which is 8.17 euros or 11 euros each month. Business option that is 14.83 euros or 19.67 monthly. And lastly, the professional option that is 31.42 euros monthly or 42.67 euros monthly. Comparison with other similar software. I compared it with TeamViewer, one of the most known options for access remote applications, and SupRemo is very permissive with its requirements, not like TeamViewer's ones. As you can see, and I said that before, SupRemo requirements are not much, but if we check about TeamViewers, they're quite a bit, a lot. Hello, I'm going to show you how to install and use this application called SupRemo. So let's start. First of all, we're gonna need to obviously download it. We go search SupRemo. We first click on the first link. It's called supremocontrol.com. We're gonna go here, and then we're gonna choose our operating system. I'm gonna choose Windows. And then we're gonna click on download SupRemo. Then that will download the executable that we will need. And I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, it's a basic application. As you see, it gives you an ID that this is for the people that want to go and control your computer. This is your password, okay? And if you want to like connect to somebody, which we will do in a bit, you will need to put his ID and then click on connect. Alright, so I've set it up a virtual machine and I already downloaded it as well. So let's open it. execute SupRemo. As you see, our other ID is 630409626, and let's put it here. 630409626, and we're gonna click connect. And we will need to put the password here, the one that from the user that we're connecting to. So in this case, it's HM844T. And we click OK. As you can see, we can see now our client's screen. Let's set it up right here so we can see it both at the same time. As you can see, we can see the cursor of our client. We can see our cursor as well. As you can see, the client will see it as well. We can interact with our client's computer. As you can see, I opened Microsoft Edge, close it. But we can basically control it. We're basically controlling it. Now, there will be more features, like for example, there will be a chat. As you see, it opened for him as well. Click here. It's something. We send it, and the client will see it. So we see the chat. Let's close it. Now, there's also file explorer, basically everything that we need from the remote access we have. We're gonna make a folder here to prove folder. We're gonna call it hello world. If we go on our clients, go here, see the folders there. Move to remove it as well. Refresh here. Oh, we don't even need to refresh. So we created a file to prove that we can download. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go to users, our user. We're gonna go to desktop because it's on the desktop. And here it is, .txt. I'm gonna load it. And if we check, should be. Where did it save? It's it on our desktop, I think. Here it is. You can open it and you can see it's what I typed. Okay, now we have many options for controlling. We have basic options. We can do control as delete. Open this as we can execute supreme as can deactivate the remote access. Basically, I think what it does is it doesn't. He cannot operate his own. Yeah, see, my mouse is here, and I'm gonna put it over my machine, and see it won't let the client use his own mouse. So it will be all the movement, all the things I will be able to do. You can also full screen. There's also basic graphic settings, and that would be it for the application SupRemo. I hope you liked the installation and little tutorial, and goodbye. Thanks for listening.